Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be making this amazing pouch. It can be used as a clipper pouch or a makeup pouch. Okay, if this is what you're searching for, please watch this video from beginning to the end. It's super easy. Okay, you'll be needing the fabric. It's a leather material which is measuring 13.5 inches by 9 inches. Okay, so after getting it, I'm going to fold it as shown. So after folding it as shown, I just want to get the center of my fabric. So from the center side, I'm going to mark 1.5 from each side. Okay, 1.5 by 1.5. If you stretch it, it's going to give you 3.5. Okay, you're going to do it for both sides. Then from this edge, you're going to mark 1.5 by 1.5 so that you can be able to curve it. If you have a round object, you can use it to curve it. Okay, so I use this one, which the circumference is 3.5. So I use it to cut the edges, to curve the edges. So this is the result. So after that, I'm going to also notch it so that I can be able to mark where I will sew my top handle. Okay, so that I can be able to sew my top handle. I believe it's going to be more better using the top handle. So from that 1.5, I'm going to also mark another 2 inches. Okay, I'm going to mark another 2 inches. So after marking the 2 inches, I'm going to trace it at the back so that I can be able to, sew my top handle. Okay, so I'm going to place this top handle, which is measuring 11 inches. Okay, it's a 1-inch belt, 11 inches. So I'm going to place it from the beginning of the top handle towards the edge. Okay, I'm not going to place it as center so that it will sit well. So this is the gusset of the pouch, which is measuring 17.5 inches by 4. Okay, 17.5 inches by 4. So I'm going to carry my zip clothes and I'll sew it good side of the zip cloth facing good side of the fabric. So I'll sew it just the way we normally do it here at Ayim Craft. After sewing it, I'll cut the excess lining, then turn it over and top stitch. Don't forget to apply your oil. And to my returning subscribers, you're very much welcome. Thank you so very much for your time. Thank you for always sticking around at Ayim Craft. You are much welcome. To the new subscribers, I love you also. This is the right place to be. So you insert your runner. After that, you're going to cut out the excess. So after cutting out the excess, you're going to notch the four side of the gusset. Okay, you notch the four side of the gusset, and you can also notch the four side of your panel. Okay, so that it can be accurate and it will stand straight for you. Okay, notching the side or getting the midpoint is very important so that your back will sit well, so that you will know where you're getting it wrong, so that you will not sew a wrong thing and at the end of the tutorial or at the end of the project, sorry to say, you will now see it bending to another corner that you don't really like. Okay, so you can just notch it and also notch the other main panel. Then you go ahead and find the midpoint and also sew your logo or any decoration of your choice. But if you don't have, no problem, it's not stopping anything. It's not stopping you from doing what you love doing. That's the most important thing. Okay, so after that, you see me notching. Can you see me notching? Is very beautiful. So a lady sent me a video from Ghana where she used one of my tutorials here on YouTube and made an Ankara traveling bag with a slim bag and also a purse. It was very beautiful. I've already edited this video, that's why I did not include it here. Okay, but maybe in my next video, if I didn't forget, I will include it so that you can see that even from here you can get value for what you really want for free. Okay, it's for free for now. So I've not started doing any online classes. Okay, so and it came out very neat, meaning to say here at Ayim Craft we don't hide anything. We show you the measurement and every other thing that you need to know. Okay, so just go ahead and know that you can also get your training here on YouTube. It's just determination. So can you see how far we've already joined our pouch? It's just for you to notch the unnecessary, unwanted fabric or excesses. Okay, just trim it for a neat finishing. So after that, you're just going to round it up with your bias tape for neatness. Okay, to come out very, very neat and unique. So this is how I made this amazing pouch. Okay, so you can try it and also make it as a suggestion to your customers who want to make souvenirs different pattern from the normal souvenirs that they always do for weddings, anniversaries, and a whole lot of that, birthdays and the rest. Okay, so just go ahead and try. Thank you so very much for your time. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always waiting on me, even though I was a little bit slack in the weeks back or in the months back. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for your wishes, for your prayers, and God bless you real good. See you in the next class. Bye.